your core, and the knee, the left knee, is pressing outwards to keep that position. You could never do this at the beginning of the practice, but now it feels really good. Come back, fold in between the legs. Warrior 2. Do whatever you have to do to come back to Warrior 2. Now we're gonna do an Ardha Chandrasana, half moon. So take the right foot a little bit closer to you so that you can place your right arm and then lift. This is really handy when you want to stay inside of your mat. So we're lifting the left leg and extending it. We're not bending anything, we're just extending, feeling how every muscle that's keeping us here is activating, including the muscles in our ankle, which are moving because that's how it has to be. Imagine a tree moving in the wind. They move. To keep balance, you have to move. You can't be static. So really play around a little bit with the angle of your hips. Angle the back foot that's lifted, maybe a little bit to the side, and then a little bit to the ground. This is just adding layers of difficulty. And then once you're happy,